Hello everyone, I'm Brian Diaz and I welcome you to my presentation on the marketing plan for my upcoming company, Diaz Tech Solutions. Diaz Tech Solutions is a Puerto Rico-based company specializing in structured cabling and residential networking. During construction, my company designs and installs structured cabling and networking infrastructure before the home's walls are finished. This ensures that homeowners have reliable internet and their homes are ready for smart home technologies and future innovations. We help homeowners reduce expensive retrofit costs by installing the necessary networking infrastructure before the walls are closed in. During this presentation, I will explain my target market, the value my company provides, and my marketing plan using the SOSTAC method. Diaz Tech Solutions serves homeowners, remodelers, builders, and developers. However, my primary target market consists of residential builders and developers in Puerto Rico who are actively building new homes and seeking partners to design and install structured cabling and networking infrastructure. I favor this market because builders tend to create recurring projects rather than single installations. Instead of finishing a single project for a homeowner, I can become a preferred subcontractor across various residential developments. One challenge builders and developers face is selecting the right subcontractor for each project. Before choosing a subcontractor, they evaluate past work, communication, and pricing among other qualities. While price matters, many prioritize reliability and long-term value as delays or poor work impacts their reputation and project timelines. Another opportunity comes from changes in the residential construction market. Research shows that home buyers increasingly expect homes to support reliable internet and smart home technologies. Major builders such as Lennar have already made smart home infrastructure a standard feature in new construction, demonstrating that technology is becoming an expected part of modern homes rather than an optional upgrade. WISE 2018. In Puerto Rico, this opportunity is even greater because most homes are built with concrete. Installing network infrastructure after construction is expensive and often requires opening finished walls. Diaz Tech Solutions solves this problem by installing structured cabling during construction, allowing builders to deliver technology-ready homes so that homeowners can avoid costly retrofits. The big picture benefit Diaz Tech Solutions provides is helping builders deliver high-quality homes while reducing homeowners' future costs. Instead of treating networking as an afterthought, my company designs and installs the infrastructure during construction. This gives homeowners reliable internet, better Wi-Fi coverage, and a home prepared for smart home technologies. For builders, this becomes a valuable selling point that increases each home's value while reducing homeowners' need for costly network retrofits after construction. Based on my market analysis, I developed two SMART objectives for my company's first year. The first objective is to generate 100 qualified leads. A qualified lead is not just someone who visits my website. It's a builder, developer, remodeler, or homeowner who is actively planning a residential construction project and has expressed genuine interest by requesting a consultation, project estimate, or proposal. This objective is achievable because Puerto Rico has many residential builders, developers, remodeling contractors, and thousands of homeowners who pursue new construction or large-scale renovations annually. Puerto Rico Planning Board 2025. By engaging customer segments through builders, collaborators, network events, referrals, and digital marketing, I can generate 100 qualified leads within the first year. My second objective is to achieve at least a 90% customer satisfaction rating by consistently delivering high-quality workmanship, maintaining excellent communication, and completing projects on schedule. These objectives provide measurable benchmarks to evaluate the effectiveness of my marketing efforts throughout the first year. To achieve these objectives, my strategy centers on building long-term partnerships with builders and developers across Puerto Rico. Rather than competing primarily on price, Diaz Tech Solutions will compete on technical expertise, customized network designs, professionalism, and dependable service. My goal is to become the preferred structured cabling subcontractor for residential builders by consistently delivering high-quality work that encourages long-term partnerships and repeat business. In addition to acquiring new customers, I will focus on retaining existing customers through exceptional follow-up communication, timely project completion, and dependable customer service that drives repeat business and referrals. To support this strategy, I will use both digital and relationship-based marketing. I plan to maintain a professional website that will be optimized with relevant keywords such as structured cabling Puerto Rico, homeowner networking installation, and Wi-Fi installation. I will regularly publish educational content and ensure my website ranks well in local search results. Additionally, I will leverage LinkedIn and Facebook to connect with builders, developers, and homeowners by showcasing completed projects and sharing educational information. In person, I will attend construction trade shows, join builder associations, and build relationships with architects, electricians, general contractors, and real estate developers to increase referrals and create opportunities to win new residential construction projects. To generate leads, I will also offer free consultations and educational presentations that demonstrate the value of structured cabling in new residential constructions. To implement this marketing plan, I will begin preparing 4 weeks before launch by completing the company's website, creating the Facebook business page, and establishing my digital presence. 2 weeks before launch, I will optimize the website for search engines to improve online visibility. At launch, I will promote my services through digital marketing and social media while accepting consultation requests. 2 months after launch, I will begin delivering presentations to builders and developers to strengthen industry relationships and generate new business opportunities. Throughout implementation, I will evaluate my results, gathering customer feedback, and adjust based on key performance indicators. After each completed project, I will follow up with customers within 1 week to confirm their satisfaction with the service, answer any questions, and request a review. I will also maintain regular communications with builders and developers to strengthen long-term relationships, encourage repeat business, and generate referrals for future projects. The final stage of the SOSTAC method evaluates whether the marketing plan is achieving its objectives. To monitor performance, I will use Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and HubSpot CRM. Each platform helps me measure a different aspect of my marketing performance. Google Analytics will help me understand how visitors interact with my website. Google Search Console will measure my visibility with search results. And HubSpot CRM will track customer inquiries, consultations, and sales opportunities. Using these tools, I will monitor key performance indicators, including website traffic, qualified leads, consultation requests, customer satisfaction, referral activity, and conversion rate. Conversion rate is especially important because it shows how many qualified leads become paying customers, allowing me to evaluate my marketing strategy and my sales process. I will review these metrics monthly to identify successful strategies, improve weaker areas, and ensure that my company remains on track to achieve its first year's objectives. To wrap this up, I believe Diaz Tech Solutions fills an important need in Puerto Rico's residential construction sector. By partnering with builders and developers, my company helps deliver homes with reliable networking infrastructure that supports dependable internet today and future technologies tomorrow, while reducing the need for costly retrofits. The SOSTAC framework has offered a clear roadmap for analyzing the market, setting measurable goals, creating targeted strategies, executing marketing tactics, and tracking results. As Diaz Tech Solutions becomes an even greater part of everyday life, I am confident Diaz Tech Solutions can become a trusted, structured cabling partner for builders and developers throughout Puerto Rico. Thank you for tuning in and listening to my marketing plan for Diaz Tech Solutions. Give me a like and subscribe if you want to follow along with my company's progress and any future ventures I pursue. Have a great day.